Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Let's instead have fun understanding the intricate workplace dynamics regarding your pillow talk with Schmoopy. And also, let's see how two infamous sex scandals can give us a glimpse into how real the danger of pillow talk is to your success. All of this so that both of you are better prepared to protect yourselves. The other super infamous sex scandal in modern political history to this day is also the spiciest. Spiciest, get it? The liaisons, plural, between the Kennedys, both the President JFK and his brother Bobby, who was the Attorney General, no less, with the one and only Marilyn Monroe. But wait, this is not the issue. It was a James Bond movie before. This is Godfather territory you're going into now. The pillow talk feared stemmed from the fact that Marilyn had a concurrent liaison with none other than, wait for it, mob boss Sam Giancana himself. Can you believe this? Now, obviously, these two iconic pillow talk scandals are way over the top for your situation, but A, sometimes you do need to go to the extreme example in order to make a point, and B, it is not that over the top as you may initially think, because no matter how different your situation from those two scandals is, and of course it is, the point nevertheless stays the same. It is hard for both your colleagues and superiors to trust you with confidential information, either personal or professional, when they know pillow talk is almost guaranteed to relate further to your schmoopy. Thus, the trust in your confidentiality is compromised, which is always detrimental to your social and professional status in the team, which in time is detrimental to your chances of getting that promotion and pay raise you so want and hopefully deserve. So not a good thing for either of you, trusting you are both ambitious and trying to get ahead. And a third reason why your situation may not be as over the top as it may first seem to be is you may indeed be working on a highly secretive confidential project, developing the next big thing, one in which compartmentalization, it's a hard word to pronounce, is required and expected even within the team or department. So the fact that you are dating within the team or department does not waver it. It just makes it easier for everybody to observe and speculate. And your schmoopy may very well come to know that confidential information from elsewhere, not you, but it won't matter. Your confidentiality and integrity would still be compromised because the optics of pillow talk is stronger than the reality of whether it happened or not. So either way, your discretion, your ability to keep things to yourself, to have boundaries between your personal life and your professional one, so not mixing business and pleasure, this is what is at stake. Are you really willing to risk it? Can you see how detrimental this is to your chances of getting that promotion and pay raise? If so, great. That's the point I wanted to make. As long as you know the reality of the real risks of your office romance with your colleague or coworker, you can choose to do whatever you want. Plus, This knowing makes you better equipped to manage the risks, which is the whole point of this entire Sex in the Workplace deck. Just one more thing, as Columba used to say. Yeah, I like 70s TV also. So just one more thing on this point before we end this video. Even if you're not working on a highly secretive, confidential project, you are for sure working in a highly competitive industry, because all industries nowadays are. And business intelligence is a real thing. Therefore, all of the above holds. Which reminds me of a Julia Roberts, Clive Owen duplicity, about a combination of pillow talk and business intelligence, an underrated, great fun movie. Okay, I'm a practical Remington Steele here, 80s TV. And lastly, if you guys are on competing teams or departments, so not on the same one as we've talked about all along, then the plot thickens even further. Here is what your colleagues and superiors are thinking, whether they're telling you or not. What is your pillow talk with your schmoopy regarding our sales strategy and techniques with which we intend to beat your schmoopy's team or department to that end of year bonus? Whose side are you really on? If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.